Welcome, dear viewers, to Harmony Haven, the ideal place to explore fitness, workout, and health tips. Harmony Haven is your personal sanctuary for health and wellness, dedicated to sharing practical, easy-to-follow workout routines and health tips. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fitness novice, our goal is to help you reach new heights in your fitness journey. So brace yourself as we delve into the world of yoga, starting with the Warrior 3 pose, a powerful yoga move that strengthens and tones your body. The Warrior 3 pose, also known as Virbhadrasana 3, is a challenging yet rewarding yoga pose. This pose, steeped in ancient Indian tradition, symbolizes the spiritual warrior battling the universal enemy, self-ignorance, the ultimate source of all our suffering. The Warrior 3 pose is a balance pose that engages and strengthens the entire body, from your shoulders to your ankles. It's not just about physical strength though. This pose also requires a keen sense of focus and concentration. When executed correctly, it's like a quiet meditation in motion, a perfect blend of strength, balance, and inner calm. So, why Warrior 3? It's because it embodies the very essence of yoga, the union of mind, body, and spirit in a single powerful pose. Now prepare your mat and yourself as we delve into the step-by-step procedure of executing the Warrior 3 pose. Stand tall at the top of your mat, with your feet hip-width apart. As we begin our journey into the Warrior 3 pose, or Virabhadrasana 3, it's essential to ground ourselves. Feel the floor beneath your feet and the strength in your legs. Your feet are the foundation of this pose, so take a moment to find your balance, align your feet with your hips, and distribute your weight evenly. Now, let's shift our weight onto our right foot. Imagine you're a tree, rooted strongly into the earth. This is your anchor. Your left foot, it's getting ready to fly, but before it does, we need to engage our core. Draw your navel in towards your spine. This will help stabilize your body as we move into the pose. Alright, it's time to take flight. Start to tilt your torso forward, allowing your left leg to lift off the ground. It's like you're a seesaw, perfectly balanced. Your body should be parallel to the floor, forming a straight line from the crown of your head to your left heel. It's okay if you wobble or if your leg doesn't lift very high. This pose is about finding balance, not perfection. As you breathe, extend your arms out in front of you. Reach forward as if you're trying to touch the wall in front of you. Your palms should face each other, creating an invisible line of energy between them. Can you feel it? That's the power of the Warrior 3 pose. Remember, this is your practice. If you need to, lower your leg and come out of the pose. Then, when you're ready, try again. Each time you do, you're building strength and resilience, just like a warrior. And don't forget to breathe. In yoga, breath is life. Let it guide you through the pose, steadying your body and calming your mind. You are halfway there. Keep your focus as we move to the next steps. Let's continue our journey into Warrior 3 together, cultivating strength, balance, and harmony here at Harmony Haven. Now that you have your base, it's time to move into the full Warrior 3 pose. Let's start by focusing on your breath. As you breathe in, slowly lean your torso forward. As you do this, extend your arms out in front of you. Make sure your palms are either facing each other or downwards. This will help you maintain balance as your body weight shifts forward. Now, as you breathe out, lift your back leg off the ground. Remember, it's not about how high you can lift your leg, but about creating a straight line from your head to your heel. Your raised leg, torso, and arms should all be parallel to the ground. Balancing on one leg can be challenging, so don't worry if you wobble or lose your balance at first. It's all part of the process. If you're finding it difficult to maintain balance, try to fix your gaze on a non-moving point in front of you. This technique, known as drishti in yoga, can help improve your focus and stability. Throughout this pose, it's essential to continue breathing deeply and steadily. Your breath can act as an anchor, helping to ground you in the moment and maintain your balance. Also, keep your core engaged. It's the power center of your body, and a strong core will support you in this pose and prevent any strain on your lower back. As you hold the pose, aim for a sense of stillness and calm. You're not just strengthening your body here, but also cultivating a sense of balance and focus that can benefit you off the yoga mat. Finally, to come out of the pose, slowly lower your raised leg and bring your torso back to an upright position. You can then repeat the pose on the other side. Congratulations on performing the Warrior 3 pose. Remember, practice makes perfect. With consistent practice, you'll find your balance improving, your core strengthening, and perhaps a newfound sense of calm and focus in your everyday life. So keep at it and remember to enjoy the journey. The Warrior 3 pose is more than just a balance test. It offers numerous health benefits. Let's delve into the advantages of the Warrior 3 pose. Firstly, this pose is a powerful way to improve balance and stability. As you hold your body in alignment, standing on one leg while extending the other behind you, you're not just challenging your physical balance, but also cultivating mental equilibrium. Secondly, the Warrior 3 pose strengthens several muscle groups. The standing leg, along with the buttocks and lower back, are engaged, enhancing lower body strength. The core muscles are also activated to maintain balance, which helps to tone the midsection. Thirdly, this pose promotes focus and concentration. The challenge of maintaining the Warrior 3 pose encourages mindfulness, as you need to concentrate on your body's alignment and breathe steadily. This can be a form of meditation in motion, helping to clear the mind and reduce stress. Now, let's talk about safety measures. While the Warrior 3 pose is beneficial, it's crucial not to push beyond your limits. Listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort or strain, especially in your standing leg or lower back, gently come out of the pose. Always ensure your standing foot is firmly grounded with your toes spread for better balance. Keep your hips level and your back straight. If you find it difficult to balance, you can modify the pose using a wall for support or use a yoga block under your hands. Remember, it's not about how perfect your pose looks, but how it feels. Yoga is not a competition, but a personal journey. It's okay to take your time to progress into the full pose. It's more important to maintain correct alignment and control to prevent injury. Incorporate the Warrior 3 pose into your routine gradually, starting with shorter holds and gradually increasing the duration as your strength and balance improve. Remember, your safety is paramount and consistency is key in reaping the benefits of the Warrior 3 pose. We hope you found this guide to the Warrior 3 pose informative and helpful. Remember, consistency is key in yoga, so keep practicing. There's a wealth of wellness waiting for you right here on Harmony Haven, with countless other poses and health tips to explore. Every bit of effort contributes to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Harmony Haven for more fitness and health tips. Stay fit and stay healthy.